Hello from Slovenia again. I'm still playing with Dutch pour technique that you use a blow dryer. You probably know that it's called Dutch pour because Rinske Dauna that first do more of those pours is from Netherlands, so that's why it's a Dutch pour. And today I'm reusing one of my canvases. It's 16 by 20-inch canvas, and I will have Pebeo iridescent silver for my background. I don't know if this will work at all because it's kind of transparent, but I had those purples left from my previous pour, and I just thought that they will look nice on silver. So let's blow this out. And as you can see, with the metallic backgrounds, you get some nice, for me nice, I don't know, maybe you don't like that, shifty kind of veins or something, you know, because they have mica powders in there. So, okie doke. And I'm chasing a negative space today. I have quite some problems with negative space. Those who know me know that. Okay. So I will start with some white, and here I have my base from the previous, that it's light lavender kind of color, and this is Permanent Blue Violet by Amsterdam. And I will use up all those colors, I hope. Not all. And this is Ultramarine Violet Light and Permanent Red Violet. I will drizzle some silver in there too. Whoop! I didn't realize that I have so much white still in, so, but doesn't matter. Okie doke. So let's do that. definitely not a fan of this part, so I will try to go... I will lose my negative space again. So here is a close-up of the dried result. I kind of managed to add some negative space. I like the silver background. I like the colors. I just love those purples together, and I have them from my previous Dutch pour that were, you know, more liquid paints. They are on the thin side for Dutch pours. I don't know, I'm kind of in the Dutch pour mood lately, so I will definitely practice some more, because this is a technique that I still want to, you know, get better at. But if you want to learn the technique that I'm good at, you can come to Washington, D.C. in August, or in Dublin in June. We will have some fun, learn, paint, and enjoy in fluid art. Thank you again, and see you on the next one. Bye!